I hope you're all doing great. Today, I've got a game changer to share with you. Believe me, this AI tool is about to revolutionize the AI industry. Honestly, after this, you'll hardly touch Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Why? Because this tool offers top-notch service, and guess what? It's completely free. Watch the video till the end because something special is going to happen for you. Search for OpenAI on Google, and you'll see an interface like this. You can now sign in or log in here. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up. Okay. After signing up, you'll see an interface like this. I'm using 20 free credits to demonstrate this. If you prefer, you can choose a premium plan. Join the Discord for an extra 50 trial credits free. It's a great deal. All the plans are less expensive than those from Midjourney and Leonardo. Click on Create Image, enter your prompt, and choose the image model you want. You can explore a wide range of models or use them all for free. They offer such a wide range of categories that you won't find with other tools. You can also select the model category from here. But here, I'm choosing OpenAI SDXL. You can also use image guidance for better image experience. Image to image, pose reference, image composition, style reference, and face reference. Now select the aspect ratio. Select the number of images and click to create. Now just wait a few seconds and watch the magic happen. The best part about this tool is that it keeps your images consistent. Now look at this image and compare it. With these, they're all the same variation. Here, you'll find many applications. Click here to see all the apps. Now scroll down to view all the applications. Now click to change facial expressions. Just drop the image and change the facial expressions. Check out the original images. Now adjust all the facial settings one by one. Click to create. Now wait a few seconds and watch the magic happen. Now you can see the difference between the original and generated images. Click on Stylized. Now drop the image you want to change the style. Just wait a second. Now select the style. You can also add a prompt here. Click to create. The process will take some time. You'll get a beautifully consistent image. Both images are attractive and creative. Now you can download as you like. Alright, moving on to the next steps. Click on Image Expand. Drop the image you want to expand. Wait a few seconds. Select the aspect ratio. Enter the prompt. Choose the number of images. Click Create. The process will take some time. View the expanded image results. Check out this image. Check out this image. And this image. All three images are beautiful. This feature is one of the best aspects of OpenAI. It lets you create and train your own AI influencer. You'll find a wide range of options here. Now click on Character Name Model. You'll see a consistent character here. Check out this image. If you need to go back, just click Home or Model. Look at this character. All images are consistent. Go back and select the character. Now see this character. You will see a consistent character here. Choose the character and click the Remix button. Wait a moment. Enter your prompt. Select the aspect ratio and click Create. The process will take some time. Watch the magic unfold. Look at this beautiful, realistic image. You can select another image or enter a new prompt. When entering your prompt, click Create and wait a few seconds. Now, see this image.